So here we are, guys. We are at, what's the name of this place? Gold King Mansion. Gold King Mansion up in the hills out of Kingman. And you have no idea what it took to get here at this point, and we're still not home. It's been an adventure, to say the least. So I'm going to carve a little bit on this sign. Here's where I'm at. Let me set that there. Here's where I'm at on the sign so far. So I've got almost all the profiling done. I've only got a couple of these leaves done here, and you guys are going to see some pretty amazing, if everything goes right, some pretty amazing drone stuff. So I'm just going to take off and carve the rest of these leaves, and then I'm going to carve the rest of this thing back on Friday's video. So here we go. So the advantage of having the cordless router is obviously no cord, no generator, no nothing like that. What did I do with my hat? I don't want to. Actually, the sun kind of went behind the clouds. Kind of cool. The downside is, I don't know if you can hear that chatter. And that is just simply because this thing doesn't have the power that the corded routers do. So you have to go slower, and I try to go slow enough to eliminate a lot of that chatter going on there. But anyway, guys, happy Halloween. If everything goes right, you're seeing this on Halloween morning, even though we're filming it the day before Halloween. This is, so you're going to see in the title, carving a sign at the Haunted Mansion. Which they say, I guess the rumor is this thing is kind of haunted, but you know how folklore is. Anyway, guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to give you kind of a 360 view. Vicki, by the way, is down at the truck. It's a long story. We'll probably get into it at some point. But my buddy Jon, who is the drone pilot, he is actually filming right now. So he's going to do kind of a 360 and get a look at this canyon where we're at. It's really, really cool. I've been up here for several hours now, and I got to tell you, it is really, really cool. So this is an old gold mine. You can see the tailings here. That's what you're looking at now. Tailings coming out of the mine, which is on that side of the hill. And this is the mansion where the gold, what is it, gold strike? No, gold king mining company back in the 20s built this place to kind of wine and dine investors that might invest in the whole gold mine. And then, of course, the stock market crash happened in 29, and it just kind of went all south from there. So this place is just kind of dilapidated, but it is a national, or it's a historic monument now. So BLM kind of takes care of the place. It is obviously a shell of what it used to be, but it's really, really cool. And you guys, again, I have told you on the behind the scenes, you could go on YouTube and find Gold King Mansion videos that people have come up here and taken a lot of YouTube videos. But anyway, guys, that is it. I just wanted to do something special for Halloween, and this sign I'm going to finish up hopefully on Friday's video, and we'll give it away to one of you guys. We'll let Vicki decide how that happens. We'll probably do some kind of a drawing. But anyway, guys, hope you guys are having a great Halloween, and thanks for watching. And please, 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 if you've ever shared one of my videos, you have no idea what went into everything, and we're still not done with it, hopefully. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little kind of a getaway, something a little bit special for Halloween. And this sign really is more of a Thanksgiving thing, but we'll be doing another giveaway for Christmas. I'm doing a completely different thing that I'll be filming with one of my buddies for a Christmas giveaway that'll be coming up. You'll see it within the next couple weeks. Anyway, guys, have a great day, have a great Halloween, and we'll see you on Friday. Bye-bye. So this is actually walking up the last of the trail to the Gold King mine, and some really amazing history behind this thing. It was, well, actually, we're going to go up to the sign and let you read it, if I can walk without tripping over boulders and dirt and such. Okay, I navigated that one without falling. So here's the history of it. Built in 1929. Anyway, I'll kind of zoom in on it, and then you guys can read that, screenshot it, or look at it at your leisure. I don't want this video to go too long because I don't want to run out of battery. Anyway, this is, oops, put my finger in front of the camera. This is normally Vicki's thing, not mine. Anyway, there's my my temporary setup with my board and the router and stuff sitting up there. That silver box is the drone, but this thing sits in a little valley. Really cool, actually. Very, very cool. So we're actually surrounded pretty much by mountains, except for that ravine, which is the way you get in. But the mansion itself is right up against a mountain. Matter of fact, I think we'll go ahead and walk up these stairs, and I'll take you inside. There's been lots of videos. If you go on YouTube and you type in, what is it, Gold King Mansion. You go and YouTube that, you'll see quite a few videos on it. It's purported to be haunted, of course, because it's... All right, so here we go. That's kind of a fireplace. So this is a place where people come and kind of hang out and party sometimes. I imagine it's popular with the druggies. Nobody here today, except us, fortunately. My buddy Jon Jerrigan, he actually hiked in here, 20-mile hike to get here last night. And then Vicki and I came up with the vehicles this morning. Well, with the truck, we drove within 2 miles with the truck, with the quad on the back, and then unloaded the quad. And then came the last 2 miles on the quad. So we're going to go up here. This is a warning not to go up on the roof, which is what that is. But I don't know. I haven't been up here yet, but I'll see if I can shimmy my way around here. Yeah, there's the roof right there that they say you're not supposed to go up on, so I'll respect that. It's but it is absolutely gorgeous morning. Right now it is the day before Halloween, so we're hoping to get this video filmed today, and then I think that's the way Jon came in. It's from like the backside. It was like a 20-mile hike that he spent 11 hours on yesterday, getting up here last night. No, thank you. Good for you, Jon. I'll just hike in the short way, which is about 2 miles. Anyway, so I guess that is about it. I'll probably go around from a different angle and get a different video.